Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to find or how to actually use the AI clothes changer on this really cool AI website I found called DeepFakeMaker.io. So all you have to do is to click on, when you go to the website, sign in and then click on the image AI here. Click on AI clothes changer here. Then you'll be brought to a page where you can actually try out different clothes or swap the clothes they have on for a different one. Now we're going to just do that. So they are customized, they already made images here, so you can even customize it with based on the body parts. We can see upper body, lower body, and then dresses. So let's just try out, let's just choose a model. Now let me say I want him on this. Good. And no, upper body, I want it to be on the lower body. And then let me click on generate. It should give me a picture in a few seconds. Okay guys, so we have our picture ready. Okay, I chose upper body. Since I made a mistake, it shows that the picture came out fine because I accidentally clicked on the upper body area. So this is it guys. Let me know what to think about it in the comment section. So you can always download it from here or even click on face swap to actually change the face if this is not appealing to you. So let me know what to think about it in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe to our channel as we're actively trying to grow. Thank you very much and do have a great day guys.